Red Hat Satellite is very powerful. And with that said, this tool will allow you to do a lot of amazing things, including connecting to external providers. So we call this compute resources, and basically compute resources, it's like an extension of the power of satellite integrating with something else. Let's go to the video and I'm gonna show you this feature live. We have here our satellite, and if we click on infrastructure, compute resources on the left menu, by default, there is no such entry. Let me show this first and then I will drill down that one. So basically, whenever we try to create a new compute resource, we can see this option. I can choose a provider. Basically, provider means let me extend the power of satellite in a way to provision something in a different providers. For example, I can use Azure Resource Manager. I can connect to Azure in a way that I can provision new machines via Azure. EC2, I can use the EC2 cloud provider just to provide new environments. I can use Google. I can use libvirt. I can use OpenStack. I can use Rev, Red Hat Virtualization, and I can use VMware. So for each of them, if you take a look here, I pick EC2. I have some information that I have to pass, like access key, secret key, the region, and based on those credentials, I should be able to load regions and present the regions. In the same way, if I get my Azure, you can see the information is going to change because this is based on the external provider. And each one of them will request one specific kind of information. If we go to VMware, whenever I pick VMware, you can see that I have my vCenter. So I'm going to set the vCenter URL or IP address. You pick the one. Username, password, and then I can click on the load data center and this will load the data center from that specific vCenter. And there you go. This is everything I need. If we take a look on libvirt, and by libvirt, you can think, okay, this is my RHEL machine running libvirt. Yeah, that's okay. Can be my RHEL, can be my Fedora. Check this out. I can pass such information in a way that I can connect to that server, and there you go. In this case, you can imagine, okay, I cannot see any username and password. Yeah, that's right. This is happening because this kind of connection will be via SSH relationship. Like satellite is trusting some machine, and this machine is the machine, the hypervisor in question. We have this very well documented in our documentation about compute resource, but let me now show you this live. So this is one server that I do have in my lab. This is a libvirt configuration. Whenever I click over here, you can see this is my string, the string that I use it to connect. You can see that I'm connecting as a root user in that specific server. I have the console enabled, the provider is libvirt, the type is VNC, and there we go. With that, I can manage those servers. I can work with image. If I do have one image over there, you can see this image over here, the path. I can provision new machines using this image. I can work with compute profile. So yeah, I can do a lot of stuff just using compute resources. Compute resources, again, is gonna amplify the strength of your satellite server, which is amazing. A very powerful tool that you can definitely take a look. And don't forget to subscribe in our channel. Also, don't forget to join us in our Discord channel. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.